How to cancel an order in Newegg. Now, if you want to cancel an order on Newegg, just simply open either the Newegg mobile app or the website of newegg.com. And after that, this homepage of Newegg will appear. From here, you just simply need to tap to your profile icon from the top right corner. And after tapping in there, you are going to see your profile name, and below that you will see the option of order history, and below that you are going to see the option of preparing and shipped. You just simply need to select the option of preparing. Now if you have any order which have not been shipped to you, you can cancel those orders from here. You just simply need to select the order which are preparing, or you can select all, and you can see all of the orders that you have in here, and you need to select that order which you would like to cancel, and you will get an option to cancel the order directly from here. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.